Hey people, welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to be looking at Audcad and how we can make profits from Audcad. Oh, I'm excited about this one. Okay, we're looking at the weekly time. Let's go to the monthly time frame. The weekly time frame isn't really showing me. Yeah, cool. The monthly time frame shows me more. Okay, so we can easily see. Now I already have my levels mapped out. See how neat my chart is. Yeah. So the level is already mapped out and we can see the market is moving in a range. I already showed you guys what to expect from a ranging market on my previous video. So you could check back to get that information. Okay, so this is a ranging market as we can see. Although we can see a downtrend movement on the weekly time frame. You can see a downtrend movement on the weekly time frame. Come back here, where you going? Okay. Down, yeah. Nice. So the market is currently moving downwards and it's very close to our support area. Now this chart is kind of creepy and I'll tell you why. For some reasons it's kind of creepy. Now if you notice this previous low, the market couldn't break it, and that's freaking me out. It's freaking me out because despite the fact that the price is close to the support area does not guarantee at all that the price is going to hit your support area. This is why we said you follow the market, you don't impose your will on the market. You don't necessarily predict the market is going. You could do that, and that could work, but here in search effects, we prefer to follow the market. We allow the market lead us and we just position ourselves for some profits. Yeah. All right. So looking at this detail, we anticipate a problem. All right. We anticipate a problem, but we'll break it down. We'll break it down for you guys. Now, the market has fallen right down swiftly, has approached the support area, but is quite shy of it. Now it would have been beautiful if the market broke this previous low. This low. It would have been very beautiful if the market broke that low. Broke this low. But the market haven't yet. Didn't quite break it. You get, the spike might have passed. Might have spiked through, but nah, this is not convincing. And you see how this candle just spikes it, this one. How the candle just spikes it and rejects off, and now it gets here, gets to this point and still struggling to break it. Okay, so what can we do? Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What can we do with this chart? As you can see, I already have two positions open. Let's see where this leads. This I shouldn't be giving this out like this. This is proprietary information. It's only supposed to be on the VIP channel. So we'll put the link to the VIP channel in the video. You could fill out the form and we'll get back to you, guide you on how to join in and everything you'll need to be a successful trader. So let's start from here. Okay, let's do a little bit more an analysis. Where could we start? Now if you watch our previous videos, you'll find that we mentioned something about the 50% level. Let's begin from here. the 50% level in between the zones. Now this seems to be respecting it. I think we should just have a holistic view. Where was the last touch? Let's get rid of this. Where was the last touch on the support area or resistance area? We'll begin from there and quickly run through, so it won't be a long video. Okay, let's begin from here. This area. Yeah, let's begin from there and see how the market played out. So it created lower lows, kept creating lower lows. We don't have a higher high yet, excuse me. No higher high. Okay, oops, this looks like one. Are we going to consider this one? Yes, we will. Okay, so we'll call that a higher high. So trading is easy. It went from here, it's been creating lower lows, it went from here up until here. And now it came down and then broke this point. Okay, this didn't quite break. It didn't break it, it just equated there. Yeah. Okay, so we'll regard that as a counter trend as well. Right? So once we see that, what Dyson will do, we draw our trend line. Once there's that break or touch of the previous high, we draw our trend line and allow the market play out. Alright, allow the market play out, and bam, the market broke out here. Okay, so cool. Let's see if we can take this trade. Where did it break? It broke out. Okay, well, let's use this, and then we'll put our stop loss here. Is that so big? 115. Okay, so that's good enough. Let's see the reward to risk and see what we. So we're looking at the next level. Okay, so this is a good reward to risk. It's 1:5. Okay, so we can take the trade, it's juicy. But remember, we are going to lock some profits at 1:2. So let's just do this and indicate it so we can easily see when we get there. Okay, bam. Okay, so we allow the market play out. We allow the market play out right until it just keeps creating a lower low. Okay, let's remove this so it doesn't cover revision. We'll just keep allowing the market create lower lows and see what happens. Okay, this looks like a higher high. We moved from here to here to here. So we would consider this a retracement, but this is the problem. So if you consider it a retracement and draw your trend line here, this is horrible. I don't like this trend line, so I'm not going to take it. I want it to be slanting, I don't want it straight, so we'll ignore that. And then we keep going. We don't have another retracement, and meanwhile our first trade has already hit our take profit 1 area, so we are running risk free right now. Risk free right now. I think I'm going to do a detailed video on how to analyze the chart, analyze any chart. So we're running risk free and this already hits. Okay, it didn't quite get beautiful, but the realistic thing is on your trading app, on your MetaTrader 4 or 5, right? This trade is going to take you out. My network is flooded. This trade, which one will take you out? To close the trade, that area will close the trade because it's too close. And usually when you move your stop loss to break even, you're not necessarily moving it to your entry point, you're moving it a little bit. If it's for a sell trade, you're moving a little bit below your entry point, so that when the market gets back to hit your closed, your moved stop loss, it's not stopping you out for a loss. Now this loss will be your commission plus maybe the swap fee you've paid or something you get. Is going to hit you out, they stop you out with a little bit of profit that will balance out your commission and spread, commission and swap fee. You get the logic, right? Yeah, so always put that into consideration. So let's say that's out, we get rid of this. And then I think I spot another. This is why I like the super trend indicator. It just makes identifying these moves very easy for me, because I don't want to sit on the chart all day looking for retracements and all of that. So we'll call this a retracement, right? So we've spotted that. All we need to do is draw our trend line very easily. Bam. I love this trade. This is nice. So all of this is just to give you a clue on how to analyze, and then we take it all the way down. This already hits our take profit one, and then take it all the way down, yeah. Okay, so we keep going, same thing. Yeah, I see a retracement. Now please, when trading, it's wiser to close out some trades before opening new trades in the same pair. For instance, if you're trading AUD CAD, it's not really wise to open several trades. You have several trades open when the previous trades are still running with your stop loss open. I don't know if you understand. What I mean is, let's assume we take a sell trade somewhere around there. Just give me a second. Let me quickly do this on a clean sheet. So you take a sell trade somewhere around here. Okay. You take a sell trade somewhere around here, right? And you have another opportunity to take a trade here. It's better to ensure that this is already running risk-free while you transfer the risk to this trade. You get it? This is running risk-free while you transfer the risk to this trade. It's not wise to have this open, you have another open, right? You still have another open, all of them have risks. It's not really, because the market can hit you real bad. The market could go, it's going well, you're happy, yeah, right? And it just pew, you get it. And you're saying SHFX said we should move from zone to zone, and then you have this at the last zone, this also here, and this also here. Get it? And it just plays around with you like this, plays around, triggers all the trades, and then go up. That's a disaster. That's a serious disaster. Alright, so put that in mind. So where did we stop on this? I think we stopped here. So I was already saying I like this trade. This is an easy one. Okay, so we're moving and we see there's another. And we're moving and see there's another trade here. Alright, because of this retracement. And then now let's see, because I see this one is not as smooth as the others. So let's say we've drawn our line here like so, and then the break happens here. This is where the break happens. If you're taking your trade here, you're putting your stop loss here, it's a little bit too wide for me. Alright, I don't like that. So I rather want to wait for another opportunity, and as you can see, the market came down here and then created a new opportunity for us, right? So that's how that went, and then we came down all the way down to this part, and then we have another retracement. If you need me to answer any questions, you could type it in the comment section now. Be happy to help. Right now we have another retracement. This is where we are currently. Yeah, and yeah. So we draw our trend line like so on that. Now it breaks here. Alright. But personally, I wouldn't want to trade this. I'd rather wait for it to break my super trend indicator. I like to allow my super trend indicator to be broken. So from here, that's the first, right? Yes, cool. And down here. Now, because this is already close to the support, the reward is not as juicy as the others. Alright, it's not as juicy as the others. Then we have that trade running. Then it keeps going down, and then we notice this, and this. You're getting the idea behind this, right? And we draw our trend line like so, and wait for the break, and then it breaks here. And then it breaks here. Beautiful. Now remember at the beginning of the video I said I had two concerns. So these trades are open, right? These are the open trades we have at the moment. These are the open trades. Now this is what you can do. Okay, let me bring to our attention what I said. Initially I said it would have been better if we broke the previous low on the 1 week time frame. Now we didn't break it, and looking at the 4-hour time frame, you'll see that it appears we have, let me get rid of this. It appears we have an equal high here at this point. What does this mean? It means there's liquidity seated up here. Alright, and all our smart money trader brothers, they've got their eyes there. So what this market can possibly do, we won't be surprised to see the market come up to this area, take out the liquidity here, grab the liquidity, and then fall down. I don't know if you understand me. So you put that in mind when you're taking your final trade. Put that in mind. We'll post a guide on the VIP channel, so it doesn't it will be under control. So it's important for us to draw our attention to that, right? It's important to draw attention to that. Okay, so it's already a very long video. Whoa, that's our take on Audcad. Overall we're looking at a bearish move to the next support area, 0.8469. That's our take on AUD. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you need any more explanation, you need me to analyze any charts, just write it in the comment section and we'll respond to you. Guys, signing out.